Okay, so we're going to do the same for the horizontal move, and basically I want to put some stuff in here. Well, it is just the same as this one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to check if it's horizontal rather than vertical, and we just need to edit this. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so copy, and I've got to do the same things, but I will edit it. But I'm going to make sure that it's going there we go. Okay, so calculate which direction to move in. Now this time we've got to inspect the files. So if that is file, and I want to do a H move this time. Okay, make it a horizontal move. And when we check in the squares, we're going to have a test file and a test file here, and likewise in here I'm going to do exactly the same, except it's a H1, and then this one is the other way around. So we're changing the rank. I'm changing the file this time, not the rank. Okay, until that's finish file, and that's test file. Okay, and that's basically it. We're good to do exactly the same thing, except we're checking it in the horizontal. Now for the vertical, for the diagonal, we've got to do an amalgamation of both. Okay, so if it's a diagonal move, then we've got to do both. So we need to work out which direction is going, up or down, and we've got to work out which way is going, left or right to left. So we've got to copy each of these. So we're putting these two things together. So I'm going to copy this one to start with, and let's put that in there. Just going to tab those in. Oops. Okay, so I've got to work out the vertical and I've got to work out the horizontal. Okay, so I'm working out the vertical and the horizontal. So I need to know which way I'm going up or down, and which way I'm going left or right to left. Now, once we've done that, then we've got to loop through each square, but we've got to make sure we're going diagonally. So not just horizontally, not just vertically, but both. Okay, so I need a test file, and I also need a test rank. Okay, so I'm going to take that there, and I want the test rank as well. Okay, because I need to change both. So I'm going to say test file to test file plus H move, and I'm going to say set test rank to test rank plus V move. Okay, and then in here I'm changing both. Okay, until it doesn't matter which one, test file or test rank, we could check either, but we'll say the file is the finished file, or we've not got a legal move. Okay, so here we're doing the both together. We've got to have a vertical, because it's diagonal, it's got to be vertical and diagonal, but it's got to move one each way and check each square in between. Okay, and then now that's our algorithm done. Now please notice that I've written an algorithm first. Okay, and I've worked out from scratch how to do this, how to do it very simply by doing the checks first and then filling it in. Okay, and that's the way you go about when you do your programming. That's the way you go about doing your programming. Okay, so the next thing now is to code this, and it should be pretty much straightforward because it's almost Pascal.